Hi friends, it's Miss Scott here. Today we need your help. We need you to be a math detective and help Hansel and Gretel find missing numbers on the path. Last week you guys did such a great job that they recruited you again. Alright, so your goal today as a math detective is I can count on from a number by ones, fives, and tens. All right, friends, let's review what patterns we saw in the path last week. We had friends notice a lot of different patterns. One of the patterns that our friends said they saw was that it goes 4 breadcrumbs, pine cone, 4 breadcrumbs, a pebble, 4 breadcrumbs, a pine cone, 4 breadcrumbs, a pebble, 4 breadcrumbs, a pine cone, 4 breadcrumbs, a pebble. So that was one pattern that our friends saw last week on the path. Another pattern our friends saw was that the pine cones always had a 5 in it. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That was a great observation too. A third observation or pattern that friends made was they saw that the pebbles were a group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you could count by tens. 10, 20, 30. All right, friends. Those were some great strategies. And then, do you guys remember when Hansel and Gretel ran into a problem? Yes, they ran into a problem that different animals were eating the breadcrumbs or that the breadcrumbs were covered up. So remember, one strategy we used was to remember that there was 4 breadcrumbs, then a pine cone, 4 breadcrumbs, then a pebble, 4 breadcrumbs, then a pine cone, 4 breadcrumbs. This one only has 3. So some friends said they drew it in to help them remember. Then we have a pebble. 4 breadcrumbs. There's only 3, so we know the log's covering one up. Pine cone. 4 breadcrumbs. There's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, friends. Those were some great strategies friends used. Another strategy friends used to find the missing number was they counted on. So they'd count on by ones. So here's 37. If we want to find this number, friends counted on. Let's try together. Here we go. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So we could count on by ones. Another friend counted on, if they knew this was 37, they knew this pebble was 40 because it was a group of 10. And they counted on from 40, 40, 41, 42, 43. So there's lots of different strategies you can use. All right, friends, today you are going to go to your Seesaw math work page and you're going to help Hansel and Gretel find the missing numbers on the path. We're going to practice one together and then you're going to go do it all on your own, math detectives. All right, so here we have 51. So we know this breadcrumb is 51. But first, I notice that some breadcrumbs are missing. And I remember that pattern. 4 breadcrumbs, a pine cone. 4 breadcrumbs, a pebble. 4 breadcrumbs, a pine cone. 4 breadcrumbs, a pebble. So I'm going to draw in the missing pine cone so I remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 3. I need a 4th. All right, and the strategy I'm going to use is I am going to count on by ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I'm going to stop here because there's a missing number. And I landed on 60. Here I'm going to count by tens to find this one. I know 60 after 60 is 70. So here I counted by tens, 70. But this one I can't count by 10, so I'm going to count on by ones again. 60, 61, 62, 63. So I know this one is 63. All right, math detectives, it is your turn. Go to your math seesaw page and help Hansel and Gretel find the missing numbers on the path. Remember the different strategies we used. Have fun!